Hey guys, Rahul here with Team Raj Jaggi. Today we're going to talk about the 4 biggest disadvantages of having an open house. As you might be aware, a lot of agents consider open house their premier form of marketing, and oftentimes agents will bother their clients for 3-4 hours on a weekend. At Team Raj Jaggi, we don't believe in doing that, and what we do is we do a Sunday tour, which is hour to hour and a half max. So what we're doing is we're actually shrinking the time, and we're making it a lot more convenient for our clients. Oftentimes with traditional agents, open houses are a long time. They have to get the house ready and all the other things. The number 2 thing that sucks about having an open house is the idea that not just that you can have nosy neighbors, as well as random people off the street into your home. So you want to make sure that all your belongings and stuff are put away when it comes to doing open houses. Yes, more often than not, people that are walking in are qualified. They are serious buyers. But just understand that only 1% of homes actually sell through an open house. So you want to get the agent that's doing the best marketing to sell your home. Number 3 things that sucks about an open house is oftentimes people will put a lot of families inside the house at the same time. Yes, it helps, people feel like they might miss out on something, but oftentimes this can also backfire. Oftentimes at open houses, a buyer's family will come in and they'll say, oh, you know what I don't like about the house? The kitchen, the layout, it smells a little funky, or whatever the case. So you want to avoid these things at open houses. With our Sunday tours, we only allow one family inside the house at the same time. So it's one thing that we do that's better. Last thing, number 4, the reason that open houses suck are basically that it is people walking through your private space. Understand that you want to be as secure as possible, and you want to make sure that all your belongings and stuff is put away, and you want to also have your agent make sure they're taking the proper precautions, especially in a time of now during COVID, where there's a lot of elderly people that are staying at home. You want to make sure proper precautions are being taken when it comes to open houses. So this is Rahul with Team Raj Jaggi, just giving 4 main reasons why I hate open houses. And we also have a video of why we love open houses. We'll do that in our next channel. So give us a call at 516-996-3633. Again, the callback number is 516-996-3633. We'd love to help you explain why open house suck and what's the advantages to them. Thank you.